Hi everyone, today we'll be discussing how to properly address an envelope. Whether you're sending a letter to a friend, family member, or business associate, it's important to make sure your envelope is addressed correctly to ensure it reaches its intended recipient. So let's get started. Step 1. Write the recipient's name. Start by writing the recipient's full name on the top line of the front of the envelope. Be sure to use legible handwriting or print the name so it's easily recognizable. Step 2. Add the street address. On the second line, write the recipient's street address. This should include their house number, street name, and apartment or unit number if applicable. Step 3. Write the city, state, and zip code. On the third line, write the city, state, and zip code in that order. Make sure the zip code is correct and in the proper format. Step 4. Add the return address. On the top left corner of the envelope, write your return address. This is the address the envelope will be returned to if it can't be delivered. Your return address should include your full name, street address, city, state, and zip code. Step 5. Seal the envelope. Once you've finished addressing the envelope, it's time to seal it. Make sure the envelope is folded neatly and securely. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to address an envelope like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily How To Solutions.